Okay, 4, 5, and 6 yan. Our representatives for grade 4 is Krisha Alpiar. Please step forward. Grade 4. Cass Gordon Studio. Grade 4. Okay, grade 5. Ira May Alcaide. John Kyle Rapada. Grade 5. Risa Estaris. Grade 4 also. I'm sorry. Antonino Chavez, grade 4. Okay, grade 5, Paeng Del Rosario. Shankar Rapada. Okay. Paula Season. So, grade 6, please step forward because I cannot see you. Okay, Kika Espedilla, grade 6. Grade 6, Sophie Rivera, grade 6, and Chilu Alviar. Okay, last year, our defending champion, our gold medalist for spelling is Chilu Alviar. Please step forward. Okay. And our gold medal, our first place is Daniel Sartu. For the information, Chilu defended her title well, but she had a hard one at that because of Daniel, and true enough, there can only be one. So, Daniel, take it away. Who may I call Lolo Pogi for to award?
Daniel, forward pa rin. Forward.
Congratulations once more to the gold medalist, to the proud parents.
Ayaw niya magbaw.